How to start new chat on Viber. Hello and welcome to my channel, and in this video I will tell you how easy it is to start a new chat with someone in the app Viber. Everything is very simple, you just need to follow me step by step to avoid any mistakes. First, go to the Viber application and then we need to click on the call folder at the bottom of the screen. Then we can see that we have a lot of contacts that we can write. Just click on the username and then click on the send message option. If you don't have the person with whom you want to start chat, then you need to go to the home page. Then click on the option in the upper right corner at contact, and here you can enter the number of the person you need to add to your contacts list in the app Viber. Then you need to go to your contact list, find this person and repeat the same actions that were repeated at the beginning, and this is click on the human username and then immediately click on the send message option. That's it. Now you know how to start chat with anyone in the app Viber. Thank you for watching.